Imagine a tree that could end hunger, with fruits tasting like freshly baked bread. Breadfruit from New Guinea and the Indo-Malay region was discovered by Europeans in the late 1500s. Sir Joseph Banks, sailing with Captain Cook in 1769, saw its potential for the Caribbean and proposed an expedition. The ill-fated voyage of HMS Bounty from 1787 to 1789, led by Captain William Bligh, is famous for its mutiny and dramatic events. Sadly, the breadfruit plants collected in Tahiti were tossed overboard by mutineers. Determined, Bligh returned in 1793, successfully introducing breadfruit to the Caribbean, starting in the Botanic Garden in St. Vincent, and then to the Bath and Spring Garden locations in Jamaica. Though initially met with skepticism, breadfruit soon became a beloved staple in Jamaican cuisine. Today, breadfruit thrives in 90 countries, feeding millions and highlighting its incredible journey from the Pacific to plates worldwide.